Hello everyone, this is Judy of The Crafty in Me, and welcome to the Bee Happy YouTube channel. And today I'm so excited to share with you my collaboration with Kindli by Bee Happy Crafts. Together we created the Mega Maker Bead Kit, the Retro Edition. So it has 7,500 beads and 8 curated designs by yours truly. It also has the tools that you will need in order to make those designs come to life. So let's see what's inside. So as mentioned, this kit comes with 7,500 beads, 8 curated retro patterns. So each kit, you will have 12 bead colors, 30 sheets of paper film, and a tweezer. Let's try to open it. So here are the designs. We have a vintage telephone, a roller skates, vintage camera, cassette tape, a beetle, a vintage television, a typewriter, and a stereo. So as mentioned, they have one large pegboard. We have 2 tweezers, your paper film, and the colors that you will need for this theme. So you have 6 colors that are 1,000 beads each. And the other 6 colors are 250 pieces each. So let's make one of my favorite design, which is the retro cassette tape. Before I start, what I usually do is first I align my design to the pegboard. For me, I prefer doing the outline first, going to the center. So first, I will be using S13, which is black for our outline. Then I'll proceed with this dark purple, which actually this is vivid violet. Now let's fuse it. So we'll need a heat press or an iron. I usually set this up at medium heat. And you can get 2 sheets of paper film from your kit. So you place a sheet of paper film over the design. Its heat resistance is like a baking paper or what you use in an air fryer. Now my heat press is ready. You gently iron from one side to the other, not in circles, to avoid distortion of the design. So I usually make sure that I iron the outline or the edge first. One way to know that your beads are melting or glued together is when you see the holes getting smaller through the paper film. Now once you are sure that they are all glued together, you can remove the washi tape that you used to secure it from the design and the actual pattern. And then you flip it and remove the pegboard. Now using the other paper film, you can iron this side as well. And then you can remove the paper films. And then flip it up to remove the other side. And there you have it, your retro cassette tape. It can be a coaster, a fun decoration, or part of your collection. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make retro projects with Kindli fuse beads. This is Judy of The Crafty in Me. Until next time, bye for now!